I like those layers. I think that new acrylic painters, I think that layers is maybe the thing that they don't do enough of. So I hope that through watching some of my tutorials that I can really get across the idea that um, to embrace the layers, to really celebrate going back in and adding in more layers. So you can see here this just adding in more pops of the purple. Just there's very little paint in my brush, using very little pressure on my brush. You can see how lightly I'm holding it. Just adding back in just almost some detail of little flecks of color within the petals. But I'll go back and forth quite a few times. I'll put in the darks, put in some highlights, go back in, add in some more darks, go back in and add in some more highlights. And each one of those layers that we do brings it to life. So I hope you'll do that. I hope that you'll um, I hope that you'll embrace the layers. It's easy to think that I watched a tutorial and it seemed like it came together really easily. And here I am on my fourth layer going back. That's okay. Just enjoy the process and do the layers because it's worth it. This piece is is stunning and it deserves the time to build and develop these flowers fully.